toilet.
What? Really? Is this what you've been doing all along, baby? Is this what you've been doing? Honestly? Nasalukazi Jabu. Ubobi bande kuphi nabana toilet. You know I've been trying to talk to you all this while and you don't listen to me and you always say I'm the one who has a problem. Is this what you've been up to?
So guys, you're gonna let us sex at the toilet.
I can't believe you.
I can't believe you.
Mama.
My brother, when I see the sex, we want to let a toilet.
Man,
Is this what you've become?
Mama, already move off what? Mohara toilet.
you don't move a tramia.
Tratamnya kwa toilet.
No, but Funana now every day I'm looking for you. You are just missile. You don't answer. You don't respond to anything. No, Jabo. I can't take those. I can't. Honestly,
you can't take what?
Like really?
Imagine.
What are you doing? Like in the toilet even? Okay. Ubopanjani intention bapana mabluke po.
Ugo magbopa yena is something at toilet.
No.
So
I'm
mama
so
chuba
angry. What happened to you?
What
What happened to you? What happened?
No.
No, what?
Don't complain at all.
Yo yazine.
Yes.
Uputile.
Yes.
Nobody bought for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yes.
Mbona kuthunga sesinyana so
Yenda.
Athi usho mama.
So when abathi mama uzamnceda e toilet.
No, mina ngathi ngimkhiphe busy guy.
Or e toilet guy. When you keep the busy, I'm so sorry my sis. The first time just that bad never tona wena basile. Why would cheat? Wena ubona usiye sex.
No, but she's telling the truth. Uthi kade ngibonana for 2 weeks so yesikhulumisa mnyako wathi.
Ngimkhiphe busy. Ngibona ukuthi photi.
Is this what you've been doing?
Keep the busy kanjani umuntu omdala?
Okay, since there much.
Bendenzani katate ngifuna ukuthi
Now I don't know what to do anymore. I said to you we must go for counseling. I said we must go for counseling. You said yes. Uright Moso.
My sis. Umama uthi yena nobhuti bebasiprefekela nebayipreparela sorry ukwenza isex. Ane? Bekushoda kancane babe intimate nawe uyibonile lento leyo. So mina my brother ngibuza wena inkinga yakho yini?
Siyayibona ke indoda. Yes. Ngibona indoda kulomntwana. Yes. Ajola ubona kuyindoda. Ajola ubona kuyindoda. La ubona ufazi. Alasina na sithandani.
You know what? I'm not here to talk to you. I don't even know you. You're an old granny to me, so I can't take your word. I'm talking to my man here. So please, is this what you want?
So please what? What?
Is this what you want? Is this what you want? You want
Yes. Hayi ngiyangitshela ukuthi ufazi mina. Girlfriend wakhe uyaqabana naye. Utho girlfriend bayaqabana akathonga ukuthi ufazi.
Really? Ukunibuza ke wena my brother njengoba bozoyenza isex e toilet nogogo beninganukelwa. Yazi ismell isamasimba siyanuka because imagine you guys being intimate kamoga ka toilet. Makaka ale ka ufela le smell sa time because of akikeni le sa flash le kamara le wetsa le.
Bongeke usize la usmell masofuna ukwenza into yenzayo. Bungasizwa wena.
Umuntu omdala she is so beautiful smell. Abeni ngaflashana ngaphakathi. Bakunuka ngaphakathi and benzoyenza isex phakathi kwamakaka. Emakakeni umuntu omdala. My brother when ufebezele emakakeni.
Yebo.
That's what you're saying to me. Ufebezele emakakeni toilet. Bozoyenza isex nomuntu omdala toilet. Ikhona into ngomuntu omdala. Ujola nomntana sikhuluma. Umntana unomuntu wakhe.
Angifakanga ikhimbi.
Awufakanga ikhimbi. Awufakanga ikhimbi kanjani ngoba enye kumfaka umuntu omdala ikhimbi ngoba
uzange ufake ikhimbi.
Please.
Hayi. Wena. Hey wena.
You annoy me. Uzonyisa bami. Who come? You ain't gonna do this shit, yeah. Just back off. You know, at the fire wonker boy. You know what? Can't do it. I can't do it. Better you saw. You just opted for.
Yes, ukubona ngathi ngiyakhe. Ukhaya njani?
Ngikuba ukuthi something.
Ushaka njani?
Ska utshwala osiso. Utshwala so. Unotshwa toilet lisa flash. Hawubona ukungenisa di germs.
Usaloshiya.
Njengoba balale mama.
Mamela.
Ya
Why you do that?
pakibatila ka go balalela.
So di germs out of toilet so febela ka mo motshwala di germs out of toilet.
No, toilet. Have you ever been in the toilet before? Did you even eat something?
Asambe wena.
No, we
Ayobona.
Ibo ushila makaka mus.
Asambe wena.
Udlisana nomntana abantu amakaka. I will never fed him that.
Asambe wena.
That's why he's gonna offer me.
Yes.
Ha.
That's
That's a brief.
Yes.
Unale bani?
Yebo.
Unale bani?
Yebo.
So bana ba o ba bakaka.
Banga ngayo kai.
So bana ba o ba renga ba to bona wena ntse o batla ho have sex toilet le bana ba banyane ba lekana le ha ona no ntse o itshentsha serithi sa ha.
Bagena ngakuphi bona bahlangana phi lapha?
Bathini umama wabo yenzani we have sex?
Yes.
Toilet.
Asambe wena.
Mama we have sex toilet.
Konke umluka wena.
Now you're gonna tell me. Okay, this is my man, okay? Now you're gonna tell me. Alright? Just go deal with your children. You leave my man alone. Alright? Just leave him alone. Just leave him alone.
Now.
Oh, you wanna see something?
Now.
No, my
Now.
sister,
You wanna see something?
Now.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Okay.
You saw it?
Mutomulu wait.
That's something.
Mutomulu wait. Mutomulu wait.
That's
Mutomulu
something.
tamaya please. Mutomulu wait. Uskanga mutomulu ambo sile wena. Stop it. Mutomulu, why are you fighting so hard? Oh, Mutomulu bata confident. Mutomulu bata musuna.
Like, I can't believe her.
Mutomulu bata musuna wena ke monna batho. Why are you doing? Where's what are you doing?
Nina pata msula.
O batla sang?
Nina musula.
O batla musuna?
Yebo.
Ke monna motho. O hlile a ke
Number one.
musuna motho ne.
Number one.
So motho o bete go motlina mo.
Number one. Mela bona ukuthi number one.
Abantwana bakho
Sashera. I don't give a damn ngabantwana.
Ugive them
Yaphanda nama.
ukuphanda ngani
Ngayi into yami.
iphi into yakho
Abantwana abancane.
ngabantwana abancane
Yeah.
mutsho umuntu
Ukaya sebenza
phela
sebenza.
awusayikereke ngokuthi uye something yabo mmento
Anye ngikhona kuyesontweni ke. Iyatakwa.
uyatakwa mangameli wekutshwala ngoba kuyenza ukuthi uheavy sex toilet
Hanya takwa too much. Finish it down.
utakwa too much
How do I forget that?
mama tlela ntshotso di etsang because of utse mala buti bona bona ke sona ka wena na bona nobody knows no wena o busy o mo enela go jetsa batho mamela
I must forget.
batho mamela
Okay.
Dog mama. Marna watwala ngifuna.
wena mama
You know what, ne? You know what?
No,
I'm gonna
my
move
sister.
you, okay?
My sister.
I'm gonna move you.
Sister.
I don't beat elderly, but I'm gonna move you.
no
Stop it.
muri mong mang mona
Mura.
mang ma
Mura.
Diskalwa nang ene wena
Mura.
udina kanthi wena wabona ntuthu di entseng
Ngomkabuza wena.
ufuna
Ngomkabuza. Yeah.
kwindoda abantu
Yeah.
mama what are you doing exactly what's up
Awona bona ukuthi yenzani?
mina ngiyabuza umuntu omdala wenzani
Nyenza leyo eyenzayo.
eziyangeza
Ngenza leyo eyenzayo.
yipi
Ngokabuzana.
ukulalela nabantwana abancane umdala umuntu
Mara
omdala
ikhonto.
abantwana bakho bathini ayikho into maka umuntu bada ngithi yabona ukuthi lo bhuda ke nandaba
Are you feeling better? You only wanted to embarrass me.
yena
Are you feeling better?
udom no ha feel better next udom wena antanta mochomo I'm so sorry to say that ke ba tshwarelo anke ke batho ba o le batom but if o etsa bofebe ke tlo udom because of wetsa eng so ba tla ke tse jwang ha o febese ha o febesela ba tla ke tse jwang ha o etsa bofebe ba o batla ke tse jwang ha lona na o febela o sno sana no batho ba o shebi
No one, ne?
yeah
Ungadivini.
I'm gonna find out who the hell your man is, and I'm gonna
Go
delete
and
you.
find out.
So please
Kopala
just leave
ska
my
komba
man
nang
alone.
Go and find out.